Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I'm glad to see you all again. Hope you all are doing really well. So let's begin with our new content. Firstly, search for Python and use search engine likewise I'm doing. You got this result, and this is the official website of Python with the with .org domain. I prefer click on this button and you can find this website with this logo, with this official website logo. In the right side of about you can find download button. Just go through with that and click on Windows. Go down. Okay, so you can see this is the file we need to install. Windows x86 64 executable installer. Most of the Windows system having Intel processor, so this file is going to be really helpful for them. So download it, as I already downloaded this file. You can see here's my installer, Python 3.9.0 AMD 64. Click on it, open this installer, and you can find such kind of window. Add You must don't forget to add Python 3.9 to path. It's very important and recommended. Just click on this button and install now. Click on that installer. It started installing. You can see. Well, I think it's just take around 2 to 5 minutes. Actually, or everything is depending on the processor of your system. Right away, it's installing everything. Yes, we are done with our installer. Just click on that close button and you can find Python in your search engine. Search for it Python and you can see you can access it. Like let's print eval. That's how simple it is. Let me tell you one more way to download Python in very easiest way. Just search for Microsoft Store and open it. After that, you can search for Python app over there and you can access them. You have different versions of Python. Just click the latest one, the latest version, and start with installation. Well, I don't need to install it because I already installed it. So yeah, I have to cancel it again. Yeah, this is the way, guys. You can do it. And one more thing, I just want to tell you one more way to use one more way to use Python. This is the command prompt cmd search for Python. Now you can access it over there also. Like this is a small example I'm putting there. Look, it's working. Thank you so much guys for your precious time and watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm going to upload more videos on for IP students. Thank you.